So a state lawmaker is looking to prevent prosecutors from charging minors as adults, no matter what crime they're accused of. Brock Owens has more on the proposed bill and how a defense attorney and prosecutor is reacting. Brock.
Sean, a state representative says they should no longer be allowed to charge juveniles in adult court, but some attorneys I spoke with disagree, saying in some cases it's the only logical way to move forward.
With multiple cases in our area having people under the age of 18 being charged as an adult, including a homicide case in Johnstown, one state lawmaker from the Philadelphia area is proposing a bill to prevent juveniles from being charged in adult court. The lawmaker says it would protect the young people looking to be rehabilitated. But prosecutors I spoke with say they believe that would be a bad idea.
Anybody and everybody can agree that there need to be reforms made to the juvenile justice system. However, abolishing direct file or charging a juvenile as an adult, that this should not be on the table as an all-out ban.
One defense attorney I spoke with says he agrees the option to charge a juvenile as an adult should not be taken away.
I don't think makes a whole lot of sense. I mean, even from a criminal defense perspective, I think we can all agree that there are crimes that are so heinous where really the adult system is really the only appropriate system to address them.
Zatko does say he would also like to see some changes to the juvenile justice system, saying in some cases there's too much discretion to a judge on if the case should be in the adult system. He says guidelines used for sentencing could be used in cases like these.
Looking at the offender's age, looking at the offender's prior record, looking at the current case, the current charges, and try to establish a more uniform application of whether these cases stay in juvenile court or they move to adult court.
While some prosecutors are willing to have changes made, they say the ability to charge juveniles as adults needs to be there.
The criminal justice system needs to have flexibility in regards to how we deal with these types of cases. Abolishing the ability for prosecutors around the Commonwealth to charge a juvenile as an adult really handicaps prosecution and prosecutors seeking justice in some of the most severe cases we deal with.
Now, this bill is just being proposed at this point, so it would have a long way to go before it could potentially become a law. Live in the studio, Brock Owens, 6 News.